dope. I like it a lot. I want to get this bike in the frame. But I need to look for a composition that I like. So what I do is, I always like to look for angles like that from the corners. In the corners, I like to look for corners, you know what I'm talking about? Because it gives, you know what, let's do this here first. I can take a picture like that. That was nice. Beautiful. And I want to get the bike now, but I'm trying to see how can I get the bike. Maybe I can take a picture of the bike, the mirror of the bike. You see what I'm talking about, guys? It's all about being creative, man. What I'm doing is, you can see taking a picture of the steering wheel through the mirror, and then through the mirror you can see the Manhattan Bridge, right? So what you want to do is, you want to go like that and look for different composition. That's a dope shot right there. And I want to focus more, make sure everything's focused more right there. Dope, bro. What? A little more, one more. I always like to look for different angles. I don't like to stay only one shot, because later on when I get to a computer, I have more to choose. You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna take different shot with the bridge in the back. That's my backdrop. So I'm looking for street corners. I'm looking for things like that I can take pictures of this. Maybe if I'm going down like that, take a shot. I'm always looking for compositions. The way I look for compositions, I have my camera ready. Maybe you can get down the floor here and take a shot. So I found this bike here, and I'm gonna take a picture of this bike with the bridge in the back. But I want to make the bike look interesting, you know what I'm saying? Like maybe through the wheels or something. So let's see if I can do that. Maybe I get down and I take a shot from all over from the bottom here. So maybe I can take a shot like that. Yeah, it's gonna look cool. I want to make sure the floor is clean if it's in the frame, so you don't have to take it out with Photoshop later on. You know what I'm talking about? So oh my god, that looks sick, bro. Look at that. See that? That looks sick. I like to move the camera to see what angle I like. Maybe I like this one, maybe I don't like that one. Maybe I do like this one. That looks sick right there. See what I'm talking about? So you see that? Maybe I can take a picture with this right here. See how it looks. Maybe it looks dope, but maybe it doesn't. You got nothing to lose, guys. Yeah, I think it looks dope too. And it's just a regular bike, man. It's all about playing with the composition, guys. And tell a story, you know what I'm saying? Show a story. Maybe I can take pictures of this panel here. See if I can move this here like that and put the camera inside it. And I want to be able to show the bridge there. Yeah, you can. But when this back wind and this back tire, you can. Here you go. That's what it is, guys. Look at that. Yeah, this is where I am now, guys. Beautiful, huh? Look at this location. Never get tired. Never get tired of this location. Maybe I can take a picture through there. Through here. Through here. Let me see how it looks if I take a picture through here. That looks dope. That looks dope. That looks dope. I like it. Beautiful. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Yeah, guys, you just look for different angles, different composition. Maybe I can take a picture through the trees here, and it looks dope too. You gotta play, guys. You gotta play with the composition every time you're taking photos, and look for different things that you can put in the foreground of the frame, because it's gonna make your photo story, and that's what you want. You want the photo to tell a story. You know what I'm talking about? So let me see what else can I take pictures of. I'm always looking for something, bro. Maybe this piece of metal here. See that? A water pump. And the beach is right there in the back, so why not take a shot, right? See, it looks dope. You gotta just try it. I mean, if you don't like it, it's digital, guys. All these cameras are digital. All you gotta do is just try it, you know? You got nothing to lose. Right there, that's dope. Beautiful. I'm just walking to see what else can I take pictures of with the bridge in the back. Yeah. Yeah, let's, you know what, let's try these trees here too. Come on here too. Looks beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gotta try, you know.